On August 13th, the New York Times claimed in the article The Rise of 3D Printed Guns that anyone with an internet connection and a 3D printer can print their own gun. And the Times was right. There are all kinds of places online to get what you need, and the innumerable YouTube videos showing people operating 3D printed guns prove that a lot of people have been making them. But this means that anyone can make their own plastic gun parts without having to buy them, potentially bypassing the legal checks and balances for gun ownership. It also means that plastic gun users can transport them undetected through systems configured to look for metal guns. The US government's taken notice. The Senate extended the Undetectable Firearms Act in December 2013 for 10 additional years, which prohibits the manufacturing, selling, or possession of guns that can't be detected by X-rays or metal detectors. It came weeks after Philadelphia became the first United States city to pass a law banning 3D gun printing at the local level. But how can you police gun manufacturing if anyone can do it at home without you knowing? Gun experts argue that people shouldn't worry because 3D printed guns are flimsier and less durable than real guns because they're made of plastic, often breaking down after only a few shots. But it only takes one shot to injure or kill, and 3D printed metal guns may not be that far off. The company Solid Concepts used industrial-grade printers to manufacture a Browning 1911 gun made of metal, the world's first 3D printed metal gun. Solid Concepts marketing VP claimed that the printers are way too expensive and sophisticated for consumer use, however.
These machines start at $600,000 and go up to $1 million. They need to be in industrial environments. They require more electricity than is available in residential areas, and they require inert gases in the chamber that are just not commonly available. So it's definitely an industrial, commercial type process, and it'll be years before metal printers become available on the consumer market, if at all.
Yet consumer-grade 3D printers that use metal are on the way. The Mini Metal Maker 3D printer project has reached its funding goal on Indiegogo, indicating that consumers are open to the possibility of making metal objects in their own homes. And according to a Department of Homeland Security memo, limiting the public's access to 3D printed guns may be impossible thanks to the popularity and availability of 3D printers capable of producing firearms. For more technology news, visit the Emergency Management website.